Hey guys, wanted to show you how these custom joysticks work. The customer wanted a joystick that's switchable between 4-way and 8-way. Some of the classic games like Pac-Man and stuff used to use a 4-way joystick. So some people like to recreate the original experience, and some people think it plays a little better having the correct joystick. So these joysticks are switchable from the top from 4-way to 8-way. Right now it's set to 8-way, meaning it can hit up, down, left, right, and the diagonals. And to switch this joystick, you pull up on the shaft. If you're in 8-way, you turn to the right. You'll hear it click, and now we're in 4-way. To switch back from 4-way to 8-way, you pull up, turn to the left, you'll hear it click, and now it's 8-way, so it can hit all the diagonals.